Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making a creamy protein packed spaghetti that's loaded with vegetables and comes together in just minutes. Now for the base sauce, we blend 100 grams of paneer or the cottage cheese with a handful of basil leaves, some blanched tomatoes and a little bit of blanched garlic. While our spaghetti is boiling in one of the pots, in another container we will saute all the colorful vegetables in olive oil and a little bit of seasoning. And as the last step, we will combine all these three elements. So we have our creamy high protein based sauce, we have the sauteed vegetables and our boiled spaghetti. We make sure we mix all of this so that all the spaghetti strands are fully coated, and this way you have a high protein meal ready for yourself. You can have this for lunch, for dinner, or also as your post workout meal. Please try this recipe. There's a detailed overview that we are doing if you watch this video ahead. So in a pan we've added olive oil and we've cut tomatoes into half. So we've taken 3 to 4 tomatoes, dice them into two halves and place them upside down in this olive oil pan. And we've also taken a few cloves of garlic that we peel. So the idea here is to slightly roast all of them and then create a puree. You can also cover it for a minute or so that they cook a little faster. We've now turned off the flame and this is what our tomatoes and garlic is looking like. Once it cools down a bit, we are going to add this entire thing into a blender or a mixer. To the blender, we are now adding 100 grams of paneer and some basil leaves. And now we have basil leaves, 100 grams of paneer or cottage cheese. We have our roasted tomatoes and garlic cloves. And now to this, I will add a drizzle of olive oil. And we'll go ahead and blend this into a fine sauce which will be high protein. So this is the spaghetti that we've taken, and if you want a healthy alternative to your maida spaghetti, this is something that you can buy. This is 100% durum wheat pasta. In the pan we've added the water, some olive oil and our spaghetti. So we'll cook it for some time and make sure that our spaghetti is nice. And we don't want to cook it too much. We want to keep it al dente because we still have to add sauce. So some water content will also be coming in from there. These are the veggies I'm going to add to my high protein spaghetti. So I've taken broccoli, there's some zucchini, mushrooms, green capsicum, yellow and red bell peppers. As you can see, we've thinly diced them and I'm going to cook them separately with olive oil. And the idea is just to basically roast them and cook them slightly before we add it to our boiled spaghetti along with that high protein base sauce that we've prepared. Here we've taken some olive oil in a pan and we've added our mushrooms first because they have some water content, so we want that they cook first. So the mushrooms have let out so much water, as you can see, and maybe in another 1 minute I think they'll be done. So I'll go ahead and add our broccoli and zucchini. So in goes our broccoli and zucchini. We'll cook it for another 1 minute. We'll keep stirring in between before we add our colored bell peppers into it. So all our veggies are in the pan and they're almost done. We'll go ahead and add some salt to taste, some chili flakes and some oregano and other Italian seasonings. So here our veggies are all ready, slightly cooked and well seasoned. We'll go ahead and now mix the three parts of our dish. I can't tell you how divine it smells right now. I just had a small bite and it's delicious. Do give this high protein spaghetti recipe a try. You'll get that nice flavor of basil and those roasted tomatoes along with all these veggies, and you won't even find that you consume that much protein in the form of cottage cheese. Don't forget to like and share this video. Also, let me know in the comments below once you try this recipe for yourself, and do subscribe to this channel. Thank you. See you soon.